So today's video we're going to be installing a Bluetooth receiver, and this will work in almost any car that has an aux port. Stay tuned and let's find out. Before we continue, I want to say that this video is not sponsored in any way by any company or by any individual. Let's get into today's video. So this is the Bluetooth receiver in question. As you can see, it's just a simple unit, and I will open it in front of you now so you can see what it actually comes with. It's fairly simple, it's straightforward, plug and play. Okay, as you can see, there's the Bluetooth receiver here. So I'm just going to open this up now. I have used this for a while, so the packaging is not in the great order. But this is what it comes with. It comes with the Bluetooth receiver. It has a mini USB port and an aux headphone jack. I think this is a 3mm. So yeah, the standard headphone jack that works and that comes on your phones, that's the type of one that you get. But don't fear, it does have an aux adapter, so it works. It's 3.5mm end to end, as you can see from here. So this will plug into your aux port on your head unit or in your vehicle, and it comes with a USB to mini USB charging cable. You can see from there, it's standard length, not that big. It's perfect size so you work on your car charger. So that's there. The good part about this is it's completely hands-free. It works with any phone or any device that has a Bluetooth connection. So if your phone does not have a headphone jack, this will be your best option. Now this is power unit, meaning that you have to charge this for it to work. And the downside is it doesn't work while it's on charge. So you need to charge it up fully before you can actually use it. Now while we're actually talking about this, the best part is that we can use this on the car. It has been fully charged for a bit. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how this works so we can work it out. Starting off, we're going to take, normally what you'll be using is you're going to be using this headphone to headphone aux adapter, because I have an aux cable already in my car. So this is an aftermarket aux cable. You can see it's quite thick and stuff like that. So this is the one I use on a normal basis. So what we're going to do is, firstly I'm going to plug the aux cable into the Bluetooth receiver, and we're just going to leave it at that for now. Secondly, we're going to insert the key. Now you can do this with the key on and stuff like that, but I'm just doing this for video purposes. And you're going to turn this to your aux setting. Now to access your aux mode, it's audio and aux. Now this is for the BMW professional system. I'm not too sure about the business radio. Now once that's done, you're going to press this little button here until you see the red light and the blue light.
Power on. Ready to pair.
Once that's done, you're going to hear an audible sound, which you just heard, saying that there is power on and it's waiting for pairing. Okay, to get started, first we're going to turn on the Bluetooth receiver. By pressing holding the button, you're going to hear the audible remark.
Power on. Ready to pair.
You're just going to scan until you find at your available devices, it'll say Bluetooth receiver, BT receiver. That's the one you're going to click, and it's going to pair. It's going to ask if you want to pair the receiver. You're going to press OK. It's pairing.
Phone connected.
And now it says phone is connected. It says connected for calls and audio, and it even tells you how much of battery power is remaining. So right now it's sitting at about 40%. I haven't charged it fully since the last time I used the car, which was before the lockdown period, which was about a month ago. Now that that's done, it is connected, Bluetooth is on. We're going to go into our music file, and I'm going to look for a non-copyrighted song. So now I'm using my outro music. This is one of my favorite songs, so this is why I use it all the time. And then I'm going to let you hear the audio quality. I'm not too sure if you can pick it up on camera, but let's hear it. Now this will work on almost anything regarding your phone. So if you want to play from YouTube, you can do so. If you want to listen to calls, if you want to play your calls through your Bluetooth receiver, it can. It also supports hands-free. There's a little microphone in the middle over here, so that'll work perfectly. So let's go through one of my older videos. As you can see, there's a lot. If you haven't checked this video out, I suggest that you do. This is one of my very first videos that I've put out on the channel, and that is what the E90 looked at. So check this video out if you haven't. So yeah, you can see that it does function properly. Volume is full on the phone, and you can control it from your steering wheel as well. So there you have it, guys, a simple mod that you can get for your car. It'll turn any car with no Bluetooth into having something that will work on a newer devices such as your iPhone or the newer Samsung Galaxy S20s that has no headphone jack. So that'll be a good option to use if you happen to you are going to be keeping your car for a while, unless you're planning on upgrading. But this will work absolutely flawlessly. The only downside is that you're going to have to charge it for a while. That's not a very big deal because it charges in like about an hour or so. This is basically charging up your phone, and it runs for a very long time. Give it about a week or 2 weeks of use. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I hope you guys liked it. If you want to purchase something like this, there will be an Amazon affiliate link in the video description down below, so for you to check it out. Now with this whole pandemic and everything, I'm not too sure if they're going to actually be shipping up to you guys, but it's always worth a try. It's fairly inexpensive and it's very good to use. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good day. I hope you guys are staying safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys soon.